This is a crock pot cheesy bacon ranch potatoes recipe. Quarter 2 pounds of petite red potatoes. Line your crock pot with aluminum foil and spray it with cooking spray. Layer your ingredients with potatoes, 2 tablespoons of dry ranch mix, 2 cups of sharp cheddar, and 8 slices of crumbled bacon. Top with fresh cut chives. Cover and seal and cook on 4 hours on high heat. Top with the remaining cheese and bacon and cook 2 additional minutes. Add the remaining chives and serve. For more recipes, visit aforkstale.com.